Hello everybody. This tutorial is to share with you the random name picker that is like a roulette, as you can see, and it's very useful for the online sessions with students. So it's part of class tools, so you can explore that webpage too. It has plenty of tools. So you can simply Google random name picker / class tools and you click here. So you will see these. Then you go to edit. And here you can edit your student's name. Yeah. There we go. As you wish, yeah. Then you submit. And you can save it. So you can save this list and then you can provide a password. Yes, any password that you like. And then you click on OK. And this is your link. Yeah, you can copy this link and save it somewhere else. So you have this student list available for every session that you may have. You may open it and edit it according to the students that come to your session, of course. But it's very useful that it's saved there. Then you can share it or you can have it full screen. It's very useful for young learners because they love it. It's really colorful. And it's also good that they are expecting, they are focused because they want to see who is going to be the one in charge of, I don't know, answering a question or participating. So that's great for engaging them, I think. So you can also use the random name picker for another activity. Yes, if you got private lessons, for example, and I think it's good also to talk about the different topics. So you can have, I don't know, different categories of different topics, or within the same topic, you can ask the student, for example, to provide examples of dairy products. Say yes, and it spices up things a little bit. So I hope you find this useful and you start implementing it in your lessons to make it a lot more fun and engaging.